In today's video, we're going to be making my shower head smart. The company Hi reached out to me and they have a Bluetooth shower head, and we're going to install it and see what all it can do. So here is the shower head. I chose the blue color, and they have many other colors and I just chose blue. So yeah, let's get this out of the box and show you everything inside. So installation is going to be super easy. They've got, just need a wrench, some plumber's tape and pliers. You install this Bluetooth section and this connects to there and the hose connects from there to there. So basically it's a long hosed shower head that could be attached or detached so that you can move it around if you want. And once that's all connected, then we connect it to the app, and that's where the real magic happens. So you might be thinking, why do I need a smart shower head? What can it do? So the feature that I'm most excited about is it will tell you when your water is hot. So in the app, you can say when the water reaches 90 degrees, 100 degrees, that a little LED light will turn on so you know the shower is the exact temperature you want. So you don't have to just turn it on and wait for it to get to that steamy temperature. It also tracks how much water is going through. This is a 1.8 gallon shower head, and it will track how much water you're using. So let's say you want to use, 10 gallons of water and you want to save on your water bill. Might be something for your kids to have so that they know how much water they're actually using when they're taking a shower. But that's kind of the smart features that Hi is trying to do for you. So let's get it installed. Okay, so I'm actually now in my guest bathroom because I was trying to take off the nozzle off of my master bath, and that shower has been newly remodeled as of last year, and the shower head was really hard to take off, and I didn't want to risk damaging it just to put on that shower head. And then I was going to move it to this guest bathroom anyway because, as you see, the walls are blue already, so it would fit. And yeah, so finally got the shower head off of the guest bathroom. So the remainder of this video will be in this bathroom, not the master. So if you see that the tile and stuff are different, that's why. Okay, so now that we have the shower head off, we can do the step one, attach the Bluetooth arm, which is this guy, onto the shower. So that'll be up there. And make sure you put on plumber's tape. So this is a really cool design on it. When you push it forward, it can just swing around. When you pull it back, that's when it'll actually tighten that all up. Pretty cool. And that knob will also make it very easy to take it off, because instead of using pliers or something, I can just turn this guy to turn it loosey, lefty loosey, righty tighty type of thing. So you don't have to use pliers, you can just use this guy to get it off. So that's smart, I like that. So step 3 says attach the hose to the shower head. So let's do that. So that means we connect one side of this to here, spin that around until that's nice and tight, and then we'll put this in up here. And there we go. So it is a detachable now, so you can just take that off. You can take it anywhere you want, but if you want to put it back on, it just slides back on. Easy peasy. This just has some muscle memory. It'll be all wound up in the box, so I'm sure once water's running through this, we get it all straightened out, it will be a lot straighter and just kind of stay in the pose that we would like. Okay, so we installed the Hi app and I created my account. So let's install showerhead, and it tells you how to do it. Okay, so my phone is asking to find Bluetooth, so I say allow. Verify your account, so they do send you a QR code to verify your account. Turn on the shower to pair. It was searching, now it found my device. So while it is pairing, you see here is a green light, and here's a little switch. So if you switch the switch, it turns it from a mist to kind of more of a straight stream. So that's really cool, and the green light means something. I don't know if that means the water's hot. Ooh, the water is hot. So it probably means it's at the temperature that, like maybe 90 degrees, I don't know. But you can change what temperature you want in the app, and then this will turn a certain color once it is that. So right now I think green means it's ready, but we'll see once the app's set up, done pairing. Okay, it found it. It says I can turn off the water now. Cool. Okay, so it says my shower power. Your Hi shower head has hybro powered turbines that convert running shower water into clean energy. Using the power of water, high smart tech features activate upon starting and upon the 1 hour after ending your shower. So it seems that this shower head is using water to charge itself up so it doesn't need batteries. That was my biggest question about accepting this sponsor. Well, not really a sponsor, they just sent me the product. But still, I was like, do I have to change out AA batteries every like 6 months? Apparently not. So this just set and forget, which is really cool. And they also just say stay in range because Bluetooth isn't that far. So if you want it to track and do all that stuff, just make sure you're in range. So here's that feature I showed you, that when the temperature gets to 90 degrees, set the color. So it was set to green. So if we set it to, let's just say we set it to red, because red is hot. So you select that. So now when the shower is at the temperature that you want, it will turn red, which is pretty cool. And at the very top, you can say, after I've used 20 gallons, turn the color orange so you know that you are using more than 20 gallons for that. All right, there you have it. That's the Hi shower head all set up and working with an iPhone. And it's pretty cool. I think my favorite feature is the little light that tells you when it's actually hot. And if your phone is nearby within Bluetooth range, it will send you a notification saying that. So that's pretty cool. I wonder if I can connect it into Home Assistant somehow. We'll have to see. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.